Ever shoot a video and realize it's upside down or sideways? Let's fix that fast in Premiere Pro. First, drag your video clip from your project panel onto your sequence in the timeline. Now, with your clip still selected on the timeline, locate the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and check Effect Controls. In the Effect Controls panel, you'll find a section called Motion. Expand that. Within Motion, you'll see a property called Rotation. This is what we'll use. To rotate your video, simply click on the numerical value next to rotation and type in your desired degree amount. For example, typing 90 will rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. You can also click and drag the number to adjust the rotation smoothly, or enter negative values for counterclockwise rotation. Want to flip your video completely? Try entering 180 degrees. And just like that, your video is oriented perfectly, or creatively rotated to add a unique flair to your storytelling. Mastering simple rotations like this is a fundamental skill in Premiere Pro that makes a huge difference in your final output.